morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So today is Monday morning, but we are on a vacation mode because tomorrow we are traveling to somewhere. So today I have a lot of things which has to be done. ये बहुत ही sudden plan बना है कि ये trip पे हम जा रहे हैं. This trip was literally so unplanned because पहले क्या हुआ कि we thought that we are not going on this trip. We cancel our flight tickets. वो cancel करवाने के वो मुकाम तक आ गए थे. But then suddenly this trip happened. I will explain that later. But before that we go on a trip. Packing करनी है, एक YouTube का वीडियो शूट करना है. Then I have to go out with my cousins for movie. I have to do a lot. सबसे पहले मैंने सोचा कि ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेते हैं. So let's go and make our breakfast. Starting my day on a bad note because मैं pancakes बनाने के लिए आई and my pancake mix have a lot of fungus in it. What should I do now? So today I was really craving for some good pancakes, but this is the situation. So I think I need to throw this out. God was like, no Dhruvisha, you are not going to have unhealthy breakfast. So I am sticking to my usual breakfast, my poha. So I'm just going to have this. Plan little bit about what I really want to shoot and everything. Plan तो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं because I ordered lot of stuff from Nykaa. So Nykaa का haul ही बनाना है. The progress is better in packing because I have packed all my outfits. All my clothes stuff is done. Now accessories and skincare and all those things are left. But I think now I do not have time to pack all these things and I do not have even time to shoot videos. Let's see if I can pull the video off or not. But hydration time right now. My mom got this bag. Really vibrant color, neon color, literally neon color है ये. And why? Let me tell you. I went to Miniso and I got passport holder in a bright pink color. मेरे पास already passport holder था. And I told my mom that I do not like dull brown passport holder. So I got a passport holder which holds my personality. And due to that, like, she thought that my personality is bright, vibrant, and she got this for me. Literally, she never placed an order by herself. Like, she always asked before placing order. मिंत्रा पे सेल चल रहे थे, उसने ही मंगवा दिया. Like, this is like पूरे एयरपोर्ट पे मैं ही देखूंगी. Another thing, I got first Crocs of my life. मैंने आज तक कभी भी Crocs से कुछ नहीं लिया है. But I really wanted, some comfy chappals. So I got this. And मैंने इस पे charms भी लगवाए. Like, this is a doggy and this is a panda. I suddenly realized that my eyebrows are not done. My upper lips are not done. And I do not have time to go to parlor or salon. So today I will use one hack which I use on emergency purpose. So let me show you. Two things, like a small razor and a big razor. I will not shave my face. I will just take off the extra hair I have from my eyebrows because shape is good. I just need to take off the extra hair, and before that I will see like this so I can see if there are like even a smallest hair. Eyebrows done at home. I always do not do this. I go to the parlor and do the threading stuff, but on emergency, like just like this, I do this kind of thing and it's not properly done, but काम चल जाता है अगर आपको बिल्कुल जाने का मौका नहीं मिला है. So you can use this hack. Now I officially do not have time to shoot videos, so what I will do one thing. I will pack my bag entirely. कुछ भी बाकी नहीं रखूँगी. I am all ready. Wearing literally basic sweatshirt and track pants because right now it's not super cold in Ahmedabad, but if I'm going for a movie and theater would be so cold and I want to feel cozy, so I wore this sweatshirt and let me show you my entire outfit. Literally the lowest effort outfit is this, but I guess I am ready. And yeah, my bag is also ready right there. I packed everything. Now I do not have to worry about my packing. I can live tonight. We have a late night flight. And where we are going, I will tell you in a bit. Once my cousins will be with me, I will tell you then. I was all ready and I was literally sitting and waiting for my brother. पर मुझे लगा कि वो तो देर से ही आएगा, तो मैं पापा के साथ बातें करने बैठ गई. And he's like, I am sitting at your society gate since 10 minutes. I was like, so let me just go now. ઓકે, હજી સુધી મેં કોઈને કીધું નથી કે લાઈક આપણે ક્યાં જઈ રહ્યા છે. સો હી ડોન્ટ વોન્ટ ટુ કમ ઓન કેમેરા, સો હી વુડ બી બેક કેમેરા ઓનલી. સો ટેલ એવરીવન વેર વી આર ગોઈંગ. 1 2 3 ગોવા. મચ અવેટેડ ટ્રીપ. હા, શું કહેતા હતા?
જે ગોવાની ટ્રીપ કેન્સલ થા કરે છે એ ફાઇનલી થઈ રહી છે હવે.
યસ, બિકોઝ અમારી ગોવાની ટ્રીપ લિટરલી 2 દિવસ પહેલાં કેન્સલ હતી. અમે ફ્લાઇટ બુકિંગ કરાવી દીધું હતું અને કેન્સલ કરાવવાના હતા ફ્લાઇટ બુકિંગ. બટ નાઉ વી આર ગોઈંગ. એકચ્યુઅલી વી વર ગોઈંગ ઓનલી 5 people and now 15 or 25.
More than 20.
More than 20 people we are going. So पहले सिर्फ cousins जा रहे थे, but now we are going entire family. So I just don't know how the trip will go because we do not have any itinerary, we do not have any plan. કોઈ પ્લેસ જ આપણે લોકોએ હજી ફાઇનલ નથી કરી કે કઈ જગ્યાએ ફરવું છે.
હોટલ બુક થઈને આજે જવાનું છે.
યસ્ટરડે હોટલ બુક થઈને આજે જવાનું. અમે 5 જણા જવાના હતા તો અમે એરબીએનબી બુક કરાવવાના હતા. બટ નાઉ ધ એન્ટાયર ગ્રુપ ઇઝ વિથ અસ. ઓ ભાઈ ધીમે. અડી જા ત્યાં
ક્યાં
પેલા ગાડીવાળાને. ઓકે, સો આર મૂવી ઇઝ એટ 2:25 right now. It's 2:20. We don't know that we will reach on time or not. Going to watch Pushpa 2 and my packing is done. This guy is not yet packed. Dhruv to packing કરીને આવવાનો છે, right?
Yes.
So yeah, that's it. Look, I'm not a huge cinema fan, but this movie was so good. Those songs were little boring, but the entire movie was amazing. Now we are just going for dinner. We went to SBR Frisbee. So raste mein bas just we are doing some cousin things, literally laughing on the silliest thing possible and vibing on the songs. Like Gujarati songs to vibe on with your cousins is just amazing. Just came back home and I haven't vlogged much. I was just chilling with my cousin. As I came home, my mom was like, have you put your night dress? Ye rakha, wo rakha. So I was like, हाँ मैंने सब रख दिया. But still I doubt myself. और मम्मी ने एक बार पूछा है तो I was like कि मैं एक बार अपनी बैग चेक कर लेती हूँ because मैं इस बार सिर्फ ये मेरी लगेज बैग ले रही हूँ और कुछ भी नहीं ले रही हूँ. So I want to just make sure कि मैं सारी चीज़ें लेके जाऊँ, कुछ भी रह ना जाए. Just took shower. I am on my bed right now. It's 12 o'clock. We might get a 2-hour sleep, hopefully. So yeah, I will just crash to the bed because थकान थोड़ी सी तो है. So I think that थोड़ा सा rest ले लेंगे तो it would be good. So I will see you tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow क्या? In 2 hours. All ready for my airport. This is my airport look. Track pants, sweatshirt and Crocs. And here's my bag. So I have added this little element of the flower just to give a Goa vibe. And yeah, I am ready. I am also taking this shawl with me because मुझे पता है मुझे फ्लाइट में बहुत ठंडी लगने वाली है. And temperature right now is 10 or 11 degree outside. So